It's Larry. Hi everybody. In this video we're going to go over 3 ways to install a WordPress plugin to our WordPress site. Method number 1, the easy way, the way I do it most of the time. Let's say I've heard of this great new plugin called, or not so new plugin, called Contact Form 7, and I need this on my site. So I can search the web, actually search the WordPress plugin repository by typing in Contact Form 7, and it's best to have the exact name or as close to the exact name of the plugin as possible, because many plugins share very similar names and quite often you install the wrong one. But this is the right one. All I have to do is click Install. Okay, so the plugin has been uploaded to the server, but it hasn't been activated yet, so it's not functional. But before we activate it, let's see what's happened here. We go into WinSCP, and I am in my site, WP Content, Plugins, the Plugins folder. It's added a folder called Contact-Form-7, which is the entirety of the plugin. Now for it to work, we have to activate. There we go. Pretty quick. Method 2. Find them on the web. Let's say I'm looking for an SEO plugin. And oh, there it is. I've been looking for that Yoast SEO. And this is the Yoast SEO web page for this plugin in the WordPress plugin repository or directory, probably more appropriately called. So I can download right from here to my computer. It's usually hopefully a fairly quick download. Okay, and we can see it's in zip file format, which is perfect because when you upload from your computer through the WordPress dashboard, it requires that it be in zip format. Otherwise it won't work. So let's go add a new plugin. Instead of searching for plugins from the directory, let's upload plugin from computer. Alright, so let's choose the file. And this happens to be in my downloads folder currently. Let's see, where did that go? There it is. And install. Very similar to the previous process as far as installing. And activate. And there we see our Yoast SEO plugin. So we're going to use this upload from our computer method in instances where, number one, it might be a paid plugin where you can't upload it through the WordPress dashboard. You have to pay for it and then download it to your computer. Or, you might just want to make sure that you've got the right plugin. So this would be the most bulletproof way of knowing you got the right plugin. And sometimes it's nice to have the files of a plugin on your computer. Sometimes you want to unzip them and take a look and see what's inside, or do some little bit of testing. So method number 3, and the least preferable method, but something we need in a pinch. Every once in a while when you upload a plugin through the WordPress dashboard, there's some kind of failure due to a server setting or any kind of issue. And you get frustrated, and there's got to be some other way to do this. So let's pretend that we're having problems, and I want to upload this events calendar. So I'm going to download this to my machine. We're going to use an FTP client, in this case WinSCP, to load it directly into the plugins folder. So if I refresh here, I should find my events calendar. There it is. Well, this events calendar plugin happens to be really big, and the best way for us to upload it to the plugins folder would be as a zip folder, and then we would extract it on the server. But for whatever reason in WinSCP, I'm not able to do that on this server. So I already unzipped it, and we're going to have to do it the slow way. Drag it into the plugins folder. And this could take, let's see here. I'll pause the video while this is uploading. Okay, upload over. That took 3 minutes. I don't like giving up 3 minutes like that, but hey, this is a backup emergency instance, so oh well, that's not so bad. And here is our plugin. What does that mean? Go back to our plugins page and refresh. We'll find the events calendar uploaded and registered, but not activated. So when you upload it that way, the only thing that you need to do is click activate. Oh, there you go. Oh, they give us a nice little welcome screen. How cool. Okay, so once again, 3 different ways of uploading plugins to WordPress. Number 1, through the WordPress directory. I've been calling it repository. And all the plugins that are in the WordPress directory are registered with WordPress. There's certain standards for them to be registered. I think most or possibly all are free. And actually, these up here that are already showing, these are kind of recommended popular ones. You don't have to search for them. Okay, so that's method number 1. Or we can upload the plugin from our computer as a zip file, and WordPress will unzip it for us. And method number 3, hopefully only in a pinch, we can use an FTP client to manually drag it up to the plugins folder. And so in any case, one of the coolest things about WordPress are its plugins. These plugins would take you several hours, a couple days, several weeks, months, a year to code yourself, and you can install them in, well, seconds, or in some cases, takes a few minutes.